Imagine a world without banks. A world where you control your own money. This is the promise of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. It's a revolution in finance and it's happening right now. This new technology is changing everything. It's time to understand what it is and how it works. This essay will guide you through the basics. Get ready to explore the exciting world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Imagine a shared notebook. Everyone can see what's written inside. Every time something new is added, everyone gets a copy of the updated notebook. This is blockchain in a nutshell. It's a digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. Every transaction is verified and added to the blockchain. Once added, it cannot be changed or deleted. This makes blockchain secure and transparent. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency built on blockchain technology. It's digital money that you can send to anyone in the world, instantly and securely. Bitcoin is decentralized. This means no single entity controls it, not even governments or banks. Like gold, Bitcoin has a limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity contributes to its value. Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform for building decentralized applications. These applications run on smart contracts. Think of a smart contract as a digital agreement. It automatically executes when certain conditions are met. This technology has the potential to revolutionize industries from finance to healthcare. Section 5: NFTs owning the digital world. NFTs stand for non-fungible tokens. They are unique digital assets that represent ownership of digital items like art, music, or even virtual real estate. Each NFT is one of a kind and its authenticity is verified on the blockchain. This opens up new possibilities for creators to monetize their work and for collectors to own truly unique digital items. Section 6: DeFi, reshaping traditional finance. DeFi stands for decentralized finance. It's a new financial system built on blockchain technology. DeFi aims to create a more open and accessible financial system for everyone. With DeFi, you can borrow, lend, and earn interest on your crypto, all without the need for traditional banks. This has the potential to disrupt the traditional financial industry. Section 7: The future of blockchain, a world of possibilities. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages, but its potential is enormous. It has the power to revolutionize many industries beyond finance. Imagine a world with more transparent supply chains, secure online voting, and improved healthcare record management. These are just a few examples of what blockchain can achieve. Section 8: Understanding the risks and challenges. While the potential of blockchain is vast, it's important to be aware of the risks. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility. Prices can fluctuate dramatically. Security is another concern. As with any new technology, there are risks of scams and hacks. It's crucial to do your research and invest responsibly. Section 9: Embracing the revolution. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies are changing the world. It's a complex technology, but it's worth understanding. This new world of finance can seem daunting, but it's also incredibly exciting. Take your time to learn, explore the possibilities. The future of finance is here and it's decentralized.